Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Aquarius, air sign. This is June weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Guys, this is general reading. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Aquarius, air sign. Lot of cards. Cards are jumping, Aquarius. So let's see. What's going on? Aquarius. Under the deck, 6 of swords with 4 of swords and 8 of cups. Oh my god. Straightforward message, separation or no contact. Yes. Maybe very few. If you are in relationship, this is on and off. Yes. Things between you and your person are not good. So you walked away in this connection. Maybe this person is in and out of your life. They are not available to you emotionally when you need them. Then you are doing meditation to heal yourself and you decided to move on. Yes, you want to move towards calm water. So let's see your reading. Recent past, 10 of Wands, Empress and Queen of Pentacles. So you are feeling overburdened, you're feeling drained, you're feeling tired. Especially when you are in this relationship. Because you only the person always taking care of this relationship. There is no stability. That's why you're feeling overburdened. For some you have work and at the same time this relationship. Maybe you're feeling like overburdened. Then you decided to taking your control back because you only the person always there for your person, always there for this connection, but your person is in and out of your life. For some third party also involved in this connection. That's why you decided to take your control back. Then you started focusing on your career, Queen of Pentacles, on your abundance. Then present, Hangman, Two of Wands and Death. Yeah, because you walked away, that is one type of ending between you and your person. You feeling stuck, you still thinking about them. Even though you are separated, you still thinking about them. For some, this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. Future, the Chariot, 6 of Pentacles and 10 of Cups. So you started moving on, the Chariot, and the person involved in this connection could be especially Scorpio and Cancer. So especially in this relationship, equal give and take. There is no equal give and take. And 10 of Cups. I think someone will come in near future. Maybe this could be a brand new person for some. For some it could be a past person depending on your situation right now. So but definitely in future there is happiness is coming towards you, Aquarius. 10 of Cups, happiness. And especially your finances, you are more focusing on your finances. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Cancer and Scorpio. So Aquarius, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions towards you. Then we'll get more clarity what's going between you and your person. 4 of Cups under the deck. Your person feeling lonely. Some cycles are going to be end between you and your person. So let's see their current feelings. Let's see their intentions also. 4 of Cups again. Six of Wands with Five of Swords. Yes, they hurt you in past. They treated you as your option. Maybe for some they lied to you, cheated on you, backstabbed on you. But they want success in this connection. They hurt you in past. Now they're wanting you back, Aquarius. So yeah, they do love you, Queen of Cups. They have strong emotions towards you. Now they're really feeling that they missed opportunity with you, because now they are going through some transformation, and the person involved in this connection could be Virgo or Cancer especially. So now your person going through some transformation. Now they're realizing your worth, Aquarius. So now they're thinking about family with you, Ten of Pentacles, stability and intentions, the Tower, Chariot and Seven of Cups. So they're going through tower moment with this separation. They're missing you so much, and yeah, they are making move towards you, but they are in very very slow moving energy because the Chariot and Seven of Cups. Still your person may be confused. For some your person have options, but I am getting here, that most of your person have options, but they're going to be choose you. If they have confusion, they will get clarity very soon, because they want success in this connection. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Yeah, they're ready to work on this relationship. They want partnership with you, but now they are suffering in silence. They have regrets. Yeah, they're very tight, they're very sad. Ten of Swords energy. They want rebirth in this connection. Four of Swords, no contact situation, but they are thinking about you a lot, Aquarius. Lot of earth energy. The person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, especially Virgo. For some, you're still waiting on this person. Even though you walked away, you're still wanting this person. Maybe you are waiting for the text or their call, definitely. And Page of Pentacles, yes, you are waiting for the text or call. So let's see mutual. But you are not expressing. You are waiting, but you walked away, but you're still waiting on them. Magician, manifestation, and Nine of Wands with Ten of Swords, rebirth, Six of Cups. You both thinking about each other a lot. You both want rebirth, but they have to do effort this time, because you are guarded up right now, and you're thinking and you're waiting, but you are not going to make any more. And for some, Magician, manifestation, maybe one person manifesting other person in this connection, but you both want rebirth in this connection. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. I'm crazy about you. I realized my mistake. Third party involved. Healing. I'm afraid to tell you how I feel, and I want to be with you forever. So the messages are, I'm crazy about you. I realized my mistake. Third party involved. Healing. I'm afraid to tell you how I feel. I want to be with you forever. So these are the messages from your person, and take what resonates. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck, Aquarius. Expect powerful change, new moon eclipse. So definitely there will be some powerful change, especially in your love life or in your life. So nothing is set in stone, and a new start is coming. So take what resonate the messages also, because for some, maybe this person is a manipulator in and out of your life. For some, maybe they're playing games with you. For some, your person may be really serious, then a new start is coming. Expect a powerful change. For some, nothing. For some, it will take some time, because nothing is set at in stone. Because for some, resistance, for those who are in more which connection have more resistance, maybe that will take so much time to your person to approach you, to make a move towards you. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.